Hello. The Spanish mortgage market is bracing itself for some rate increases. My name is Marc Elliott. I'm the owner of Fluent Finance Abroad, and today is the 19th of March, and this is your Spanish mortgage update. Over the last 12 months, Spanish banks have been offering some amazing interest rates to residents and non-residents alike. It's been quite common to see non-resident mortgage lending at a long-term fixed at around about 2.5, 2.75. That has been quite common. I think it's quite important today to make an announcement that we're starting to see that Spanish banks are pricing their mortgages slightly higher. The main cause of that is that with the issues that we're seeing in the Middle East and the issues of obtaining oil and gas, will have an effect on inflation. And inflation, if inflation goes up, that generally tends to feed into higher interest rates. So just to give you a quick idea at the moment, a good long-term fixed rates will be coming in at around about 3, a little bit, or maybe to 3.25%, which is fantastic when we compare Spain to other parts of Europe, other parts of the world like the US or Great Britain. Mortgage demand is still extremely strong. Last year, over 500,000 mortgages were completed and signed here in Spain, and that trend is continuing. We are expecting to maybe see the same sort of levels as well. In terms of mortgage types, variable versus fixed, because of the uncertainty out there, we're seeing a trend from banks to try and offer more variable rates rather than long-term fixed. That doesn't mean to say that they don't offer long-term fixed, but we do see Spanish banks promoting variable rates rather than the fixed, and that is a shift. The main reason for that is because of the interest rate volatility. We're not sure, and so if the banks aren't sure as to how to price the mortgage because they can't predict the future, then a variable rate will be more convenient for them. But again, there are long-term fixed rates out there, so please get in touch and we can advise you accordingly. Thank you.